All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another pair for next week. So last week we kind of dominating. Probably we're up like 20 or 30 RR. So we've been dominating for a lot of pairs playing out, go playing out as well. So yeah, so this could be my pair for next week, USD CAD. So weekly time frame, pretty nice. Do have weekly rejection, right? So kind of touching the you guys already know key level, area of interest, area of support and resistance. Um, what else? What do you guys call it? Like if you put some order block, supply and demand right here, so you have an order block, retouching, whatever you call it, support resistance. But yeah, this one kind of projecting to our area of interest, weekly time frame, will be a potential. Let me see here. Weekly still for me, weekly still bullish. They could be probably having kind of a little bit pullback, and then or either having like accumulation or whatever. But yeah, all we need to do is catch this a little bit move of the weekly time frame. Daily time frame is the let's say bearish right now. Um, you have this higher, low, higher shift structure, and then 4 hour is pretty nice having a shift, and then on that shift we do have this lower high, lower low, potential lower high, looking for entry model or whatever. So yeah, so the play with this is if the daily time frame give me a rejection, then that would be a fire setup for Monday, probably London or Tuesday London. So yeah, NZD CAD weekly time frame is bullish right now. So kind of waiting for having retesting, and then on the retest on the daily time frame have little bit of rejection, then rejection, continue pushing up. So the 4 hour is having bullish. So all we need to wait is retest, and then bearish shift, and then bullish engulfing to continue to go up. Then our weekly outlook will be having this pretty nice weekly week pullback continuation. Like this is the previous week, having the weekly week pullback continuation to go up. So most likely, this pair will be playing out around Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. So yeah, but very interesting pair. Um, got CHF continuation. So all I need is kind of weekly week pullback around this area. Daily have a retest, and then kind of doji, or if the 4 hour give me like a retest around this area, 1 hour shift, bearish, and then bearish and go, and then taking the trade. Because I mean 4 hours still bearish, lower high, lower low. GBP CHF, GBP CHF. We have a rejection on this area of interest, right? So all we need to wait is kind of daily week pullback. 4 hour is the right now is bearish. You could call this lower high, lower low. All we need to wait is kind of the pullback bullish, and then shift both bearish engulfing, then taking the trade. USD CHF, USD CHF, same thing. Um, Weekly week pullback on the weekly previous week. Daily is bearish. 4 hour bearish as well. I call it bearish because like the market, market structure or price action presenting as a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Euro CHF, Euro CHF. Um, Weekly bearish continuation. All I need is kind of bearish daily pullback, and then I go for sell. GBP and CD. This is my number one as well. All right. Weekly week pullback, daily, hoping that we have a kind of rejection on the previous structure point. AUD USD, this is a tricky pair. We're kind of rejecting on the previous structure point. The weekly, daily have, for me, this one is still, I could spot, I mean, let's see here. Yeah, bearish, but this little bit market structure having bullish move. So yeah, we'll see. This one I need more information. 4 hours. The only thing is the 4 hours looking good. If the 4 hour is having entry signal here, I would take that. But if the 4 hour break and then continuation, then that will be invalid. I'll put this one right here. NZDJPY, weekly week pullback continuation, daily bullish, 4 hour bullish. All I need is retest, then shift off structure on the area of interest, something like that, and I'm bullish engulfing, then continue taking the trade. NZD the same move of NZD weekly week pullback continuation to go bullish, daily. Hopefully we have a rejection. Euro NZD, same thing as well. Weekly week pullback, continuation to go bearish. Daily is bearish. 4 hours bearish as well. So this is a good example that sometimes you don't need um, having a daily rejection because your 4 hour is in sync as well. But if the daily have a rejection, which is way more better because you know that the pullback is slowing down on the daily time frame. AUD, LCD, counter trade setup, weekly week pullback, daily bearish, 4 hour bearish. This is pretty nice as well. I did break the AUD USD, AUD CHF. Still looking for shale. So all the only thing that I'm gonna take this one is we have a break on the 4 hour around this area because every time um, we touch this zone, go up, touch this zone, go up, touch this zone, go up, touch the zone, go up, touch the zone, go up. So I want to be more conservative with break and then pull back on the lower time frame, then shift bearish engulfing, and then am I gonna be interested in taking that trade. So all we need to wait is be patient, like having a break and then pull back, lower high, then lower high. On the 4 hour, we're gonna look for shift of structure. Hmm. I see the USD. So all we need to wait is weekly week pullback, daily pullback, 4 hour pullback as well. So once we have a pullback, bearish, right? Bearish on the lower time frame and shift, bullish engulfing, then taking the trade. USD SEC. So we are expecting the next week USD is going down. So basically all XX USD like NZD USD will pumping next week. So that will be our correlating analysis for them. So let's say all USD pair are going down next week. So USD CAD bearish, USD SEC bearish, USD CHF bearish. So yeah, this one is weekly having still bullish, but the price action is having reaction on this area of interest. Daily is kind of bearish for me. This is the lower low, lower high. We're still on the zone. 4 hour, 4 hour for me. Pretty much clear. Pullback and then continuation. USD LPN, same thing. Weekly is having a reaction. Daily is bearish. 4 hour bearish. So all I need is kind of pullback and then look for entry. Euro JBY. So weekly. I like this reaction on the previous structure point. We have a little bit bullish push. So bullish push. Daily is bullish. Higher high, higher low. And then 4 hour bullish. Yeah, bullish. So all I need is retest and a retest of this zone. I'm gonna look for an entry signal like shift of structure and bullish engulfing. Euro USD. I like the reaction around this area. Um, Daily is bullish because, as like I said, if the USD is going down, Euro USD is pumping up. So daily is bullish, 4 hour bullish. So all I need is kind of the retesting shift bullish to go up. But if the 4 hour give me like shifting right here, then this will be invalid trade. So yeah, gold, pretty nice gold to be honest. Weekly we do have this rejection on the weekly time frame. I like that. Daily kind of a bullish push. 4 hour, 4 hour. All we need to wait is kind of having having the break. I mean, a retest and then 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour shift, and then bullish engulfing to continue to go up. 1 hour is pretty nice as well. So all we need to wait is kind of the 5 minutes bearish move. And then on the around the zone, all I need is kind of shift of structure, bullish engulfing. Then we'll take that trade probably 4 to 5 hour. Same thing for SAG. SAG, we're gonna look or we're gonna expecting that we're gonna be bullish next week. So daily time frame, we do have this reaction. Could be targeting around this area. 4 hour, 4 hour is bullish, kind of bullish. Lower high, lower low, lower high, shift, and then retest on the zone. Then look for um, shape of structure, the same move for both. But yeah, whatever the market give me, whatever opportunity for next week, then I'm gonna dive in whatever I could spot, and then I could spot a setup for gold or silver. Because you know the main you guys already know main bread is gold or silver. The rest we will continue be patient. Wait for the setup and don't overtrade. If the setup is not presenting, then don't catch the move. You know, so yeah, hoping that next week we could continue banging a pair, banging, catching a pair, so we could secure some money. And yeah, see you guys next week.